Hey guys, this is Aiman. I promised you that I would do a video about my trading station. Yesterday, unfortunately, I was a little bit busy, so I'm behind my promise. Today, I have a little bit more time, so there it is. The first thing I want to discuss is the desk which I have here. It's standard X3. It's a gaming desk and it's adjustable. I can take it higher if I want to trade standing or just take lower. I personally don't trade standing. I just don't feel comfortable. I feel comfortable just sitting and trading behind the screens. One thing I want you guys to notice or to pay attention to, if you want to get one of those, make sure to pay attention to how much weight it can carry on. This one right here, it can carry up to 50 to 60 kg. And this means that I can either take it up or down or adjust it with no problems. If you don't find this one, one which can carry up a lot of weight on it, you can take, I don't know, up to 30 kg, 20 kg, but make sure that you help it if you lift it up so that it doesn't get ruined. I have 5 monitors right here. All of them are 4K, and by the way, they're not the most expensive monitors. The one in the middle is a little bit expensive because it's 144 Hertz and it's 4K. I use this one for gaming, but those ones, I think they are Samsung 4K, $200 per monitor. And why did I choose 4K? I chose 4K because the resolution there is bigger and I can fit more charts. You can see that right here I fit around 8 charts, 2 timing cells, and 2 montages. I have the 60-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 1-minute chart. This is how it looks like when I'm trading. 2 stocks here, 2 stocks here, 4 stocks, and the same setup here. 2 more stocks, it's 6 stocks, and this is my main monitor in the middle. I have my watch list down here. Here I have my orders, the Nasdaq active, my positions, and all of them right there. And you can see I'm watching up to 7 stocks a day. I used to watch only 4 because the monitors which I had before this one were around 24 inches and they were 1K, I guess, full HD, yeah. And I could watch only 1 stock per monitor. So I had 3 monitors, I was watching 3 stocks at the same time. Now I can watch just a little bit more. Now it doesn't mean that I'll pay close attention to all of them, I'll just pay close attention to the ones which I like. This is the 5th monitor. I divided by halves. The half on the top is for you guys. I watch the chat room here, I watch Andrew's trading there on the top. And below I have trade ideas scanner, and you can see just it fits really well. Okay, and by the way, they are 28 inches. This one is 27, but those ones are 28 inches. And you can see it fits like this part right here used to be 1 monitor for me. With 4K, it's way easier than that. Now the keyboard which I'm using is Razer. It's or not Chroma, yeah. It's a Membrano mechanical keyboard. I recommend mechanical keyboard especially for gaming. This is my gaming mouse. It's a Daytrading Elite here. I feel comfortable playing with it. This one I got, it's actually thrice less expensive than this one. It's a Logitech GS300. The grip here is so comfortable, guys. I really recommend this mouse. It's way more comfortable. I don't know. Unfortunately for gaming, it doesn't suit me because we don't have any side buttons right here. You can see they're here and they're here. Maybe I'll start playing with it, but I need to just get used to that one. This is the Yeti Blue microphone. I think these ones are the best. And yeah, this is my PC. It cost me a lot, not a lot of money. I mean money as well, but it actually cost me a lot of effort because I had some problems when I was installing it. Some pieces got ruined and I had to fix them again. So from the inside, this is how it looks. I have a graphic card right here. It's an RTX 3080. On this graphic card, you can watch or link 4 monitors, 4K, and I have a Maximus Hero 4 motherboard. I can link the 5th monitor. It's also supporting full 4K monitor right there on maximum resolution. So I have 5 monitors right there. If you want to have more monitors, I would recommend you have another graphic card. I have one sitting right there. I just didn't put it right here just to save some power for the PC. The processor which I'm using is Core i9 10900K. If you are going to get, I don't know, some of those high-end processors, I would really recommend you get a liquid cooling system because water transfers heat way better than air. And the next thing is when you're using a liquid cooling system, your PC will lag less, not will lag less often, it will be way quieter than just using fans right there. This box, I don't really remember what it's named, but I like it because it's cooling the PC really nicely. Cooling from the front, cooling from the ups, cooling from behind, and yeah, it's never actually been heated, I mean, at least so far. can change the colors right here. And I also have this lighting behind my PC. I like it, it's calm, it's blue. I can use Wi-Fi to change those colors. It's cheap, it's just lightning strip, you can see right there. I just glue them behind my screens. If you want to get some lighting which is specific for monitors, they'll be a little bit expensive. I think one of the best is Corsair LS100, but that one will cost around $100 or $90, I guess, for two strips, 45 centimeters. It's not really worth it. And I just did this color to be blue. If I'm having green day, it will be green. If I'm having red day, it will be red. And yeah, that's it, guys. So if you have any questions about my setup, if I forgot to mention anything, just make sure to put a comment down here on YouTube. Make sure to follow me at Aiman. Yeah, it's at AimanBBT on Twitter. And by the way, for trading, guys, we don't need like high-end PC. It's just something I built not only for trading, I built it also for gaming for myself, and I started with just simple PC. If you want to know what other PCs you can just build which are cost a little bit cheaper than this, you can check our forums. There are a lot of members posting an amazing setups right there with the specs of their sessions, and you can watch a lot of setups here on our YouTube channel as well. If you have any questions again, feel free to email me, Aiman@beerwelltraders.com, and have a great day, everyone.